Good morning. It is, what day is it? Is it Tuesday? Oh my God, it's only Tuesday.
What?
It's only Tuesday.
I can't hear
It's Tuesday.
you. Yeah, I know.
It's only Tuesday. Anyway,
Feels like we've been here for.
it does feel like we've been here forever. We are going out this morning. We're going to Gray's Kitchen this morning for breakfast. Austin slept in a little later. I slept in a little later than yesterday, but I wouldn't call it sleeping in. We're gonna go to we're going to the pool today. I can't talk. So I'm just throwing on some jeans I've already worn and a t-shirt, my little Birks, to go get breakfast. Nothing too fancy because I don't want to waste the cute outfit. So I don't think I talked about the taco place last night, but Tacotarian was great. I loved that place. Me and Austin both got the jackfruit taco, which I think was the barbacoa. That was okay. Wasn't my favorite. It wasn't your favorite either, right?
I thought it was pretty good.
But it was good.
My favorite was the Al Pastor.
He had the El Pastor. That was his favorite. What was the third you had?
Barbacoa.
No, barbacoa was the jackfruit.
I forgot.
I don't know. I show it in the video. And I had the, I don't remember what it was called, but it was like a deep fried taco with mashed potato in it. I did not like that one. It was just really greasy. I thought it would, it wasn't very flavorful, you know, carne asada.
Yeah, that's what it was.
The mashed potato also didn't bring much to the table. It wasn't flavored very well. Like, it was just greasy and more bland than I was expecting. But let me tell you, the bean and cheese, that was the best. That was so good. Oh my God. I could eat like 30 of those. And I got the very hot sauce and I really liked it. Austin got the mild, I think, and he wasn't a big fan, but I thought it tasted good. It just wasn't hot enough for me. He also got, and I'll have to insert the picture, the deep fried Oreos. It was actually a really big order. We got like 4 Oreos and another Oreo in the cup of ice cream, because you got a cup of ice cream too. He downed all of those and they looked good. They smelled nice, but I don't really like Oreos. So that was really cool. Definitely a must check out Tacotarian if you are here in Vegas. And it wasn't that far away either. It was a very quick Uber ride. I think this Uber ride this morning is gonna be like 20 minutes. So this is a little further from the strip. But since we're going to the pool today, it's not like we need to rush back. So it's a good day to do it. And I'm excited. Let's go get some breakfast. At Gray's Kitchen, I got some coffee, of course, and the milk came in this cute little milk container. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's adorable. Like, unreasonably adorable. Anyway, Austin and I both ended up getting the Crab Benedict, which was amazing, and a ton of food. Like, I had to take half mine back to the hotel with me to eat later because it was so filling. I also got a side of fruit. I had just been feeling like I needed some fruit in my life, so I went ahead and got some fruit too. The crab cake part of this Benedict was so crispy and so delicious. If you are in the area, you absolutely have to put this on your must-go list for vegan breakfast because it was so good. So it's been a while today since I did an update. I think I filmed our food at the restaurant and a little bit in the car ride. But that food was amazing, by the way. Definitely another highly recommend kind of place. We both got the crab cake Benedict and it was so good. Yeah, but we went to the pool when we came back. I totally forgot my camera. And then I took a nice hot bath when we came back, even though we went to the pool. I didn't actually get in the pool, I just kind of laid around. I got a lovely missed a spot burn, which is annoying. And now I am dressed. I'm in the another Aritzia Tempest dress. I really like this dress, so I've got a couple of them. Oh, I've got 3, I think. This is the Oriole color. I don't know if this is still in stock or not, but I will check. They're constantly changing out the colors and designs they offer. And my Vans again, my Stella bag, and a little headband. I do think they still sell this headband at J. Crew. So we are going to, is it Veg Nation or Veggie Nation?
I don't know.
We're going to either Veg or Veggie Nation, which is close to Freedmont Street. And then we'll walk a couple blocks to Freedmont Street and check that out. That is the plan. And yeah, maybe I'll share a bit of that. We're at Veggie Nation. About to have some buffalo cauliflower. For our entrees, Austin got a chicken sandwich with these big, delicious French fries. It's kind of like a Nashville hot sandwich, but not exactly. And then I got the Torrey Washington salad, which had a little bit of everything in it. It was absolutely delicious and so filling. I couldn't even get through half of it. Freedmont Street was very interesting. I don't know if it was really my scene, but there were lots of street performers, lots of half-naked girls you could take pictures with. There were women DJing in the middle of Freedmont Street, and then there was another woman on the end, and they both had like dance acts. Like one lady had these twirly string things she was doing, and the other lady had a hula hoop or something. It was very interesting. I just think it was a little too like party hardy. Not that the strip is not party hardy, but this just felt like party overdose on crack. I don't know. It was just very intense and a lot of people. But it was definitely interesting to check out. I highly recommend you take the Uber ride down there and just check it out. Especially some of these older casinos and hotels. They're just really quite the eye candy to look at. They're just so interesting. So definitely worth the Uber trip to check this place out.
end of the day 3 vlog. Thanks for watching. Day 4 coming soon.